Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Toni and I am a homeschooling mom to 4 kids. Now, usually this channel is all about homeschooling, curriculum, and thrifty stuff. But today, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a glimpse into the other part of my life that is new this year, which is my husband and I are innkeepers to an inn that we just opened up in March. So a big part of my life, besides homeschooling, is running this inn. So today is one of those days that we had guests check out. I have guests checking in a couple days. So today is the day that I needed to come over here and get everything cleaned up. So I thought I'd just take you guys along with me so you guys could see what it's like to be an innkeeper. So this is just to give you an idea. Our inn is like an old farmhouse that we've renovated and it sleeps 8 to 10 guests. But it's one of those things where just one family gets the whole place. So it's not like an inn where it has multiple guests that don't know each other. So anyway, that's what I'm cleaning today. That's what we're working on. Because of privacy, unfortunately, I'm not gonna give out any information about where our inn is located or the name or anything like that. But I thought it would be fun for you guys to at least see what it's like to not only homeschool 4 kids and run a YouTube channel, but to also run an inn. It's fun, it keeps me busy. I'll probably be exhausted. So we're having corn dogs and salad tonight for dinner just to make life easy because I'm always tired when I get home. So I'm gonna try to let you guys get a glimpse of this as quickly as possible. It usually takes me about anywhere from 2.5 to 3 hours to get the entire inn clean when I'm by myself. There are times where I bring the kids with me, especially my big girls. They helped me last time. Sometimes it's easier for me to just get in here. They're at home doing school right now. That had to get done because of some other stuff that we had going on this morning. So they're doing school, I'm cleaning the inn. So if you wanna see what it's like to be an innkeeper, then stay tuned. I'm almost done. I have to sweep the floors and then mop the floors and then we're all done. Okay guys, I'm all done. Wasn't that super fast? I wish I could clean that fast at home. It wasn't really that fast, but I wish I could put it on fast forward when I'm cleaning at home at my house. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little peek into what it's like to be an innkeeper. It's been really fun. We're still new at it and still learning things, but there's a whole lot more that goes into keeping this place going and keeping this place running. This was basically just, how do we get it ready for the next guest? This is what I do every time somebody checks out, and then to get it ready for when the next person checks in. So I hope you guys liked this. I hope it was fun. If you like all things homeschool and thrifty life, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do a new video every single week. Make sure you click that little bell so that you're notified every single time one of my videos comes out. I will say that I think my most favorite thing out of this whole process of owning an inn is reading the guest book afterwards. So far we have had amazing comments, and that is my favorite thing. And you know what? The comment section on my YouTube channel is just like reading the guest book when people leave our inn. So please leave me a comment. It's always fun. I love reading the comments. As long as you're going to say something nice, I love to hear the comments. So any questions you guys have, feel free to ask. So don't forget to sign my guest book. All right. Well, thanks for coming along with me. I hope this was enjoyable, and I will see you next week. Bye.